Good morning everyone. Once again welcome in mathematics class for 7th class student. This is Pooja and today I am continuing with my chapter 1 and exercise 1.4. So today we will discuss about the division rule for integer student, as we already discussed in our previous session about the addition and subtraction of integer, properties of integer and multiplication of integer. How can we do multiply, how can we do add or subtract integer. So today I am going to start with division rule of integer and then we will solve the exercise question of 1.4. So student, look at here. Division of integer means if multiplication is totaling of numbers, division is the distribution of number. As we know that division means we will distribute things, we will distribute the numbers. So dividing integers of opposite operation of multiplication, but the rule for division of integer are same as multiplication. So we will follow the same rule as we follow in case of multiplication. The rule will be same for the division. First rule is the quotient of two positive integer will always positive. Means whenever we will divide two positive integer, then in answer we will get positive plus sign. And second rule is the quotient of two negative integers will always be positive. Whenever we will divide two negative integers, we will discuss with the help of example. I am just explaining here the rule 1, 2, 3. So look at here. So next is third rule is the quotient of a positive integer and a negative integer will always be negative. Means whenever you will take two different sign integers, one is positive and second one is negative integer, so you will get negative in answer. So whenever you are taking same sign, you will get positive, and whenever you are taking different sign, positive, one number is positive, one number is negative, then you will get different sign means negative sign in answer. Look at the table rules for the division, as we already discussed about the rules for addition, subtraction and multiplication. Similarly, this is the table for the dividing integer. Look at here, in first case, positive divide by positive. First case we are discussing here, positive integer divided by positive integer, and operation we are applying here, division. We are going to divide it. So we will get positive as a result. And look at the example here. I am dividing 10. 10 is a positive integer and another one is 5. I am taking another positive integer. So if I divide 10 by 5, if I am going to divide this 10 by 5, then what will you get? 5 1 you will write it in the form of division, changes into multiplication, and you will reciprocal the next number, that is 1 upon 5. So 5 1 5 and 5 2 10. So you will get 2 in answer. So in this way you will solve this division cases. In last example, look at one more example. In second example, negative, when you ever taking negative and negative integer, so again you will get positive sign. Example is minus 10 divided by minus 5. Minus 10 divided by minus of 5 means I am taking here both the integer with negative sign. So as we know that whenever we are converting this division into multiplication, so we will take the reciprocal next to the division. So it will be 1 upon minus 5. This negative cancel by negative, or you can say that negative into negative will be positive. And 5 1 5, 5 2 so again you are getting a positive integer. So as we discussed here, rule 1 and 2, whenever you are taking two positive integer, you will get positive in answer, and whenever you are taking negative integer, you will get again positive in answer. So now in last third and fourth cases, we are taking one positive and one negative number. So if whenever you are taking one positive and one negative number, so you will get negative answer in answer, and Here you can see that easily minus 10 divided by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10 and answer will be in negative. So these are the rules for the. Similarly, you can say that same as multiplication, divide the integer without the sign, give the sign according to the, as we did in multiplication. Student, in case of multiplication we also did that. First we will do just the product and then we will consider the sign. Similarly, in these cases we will also take the only just do the division first, then we will take the sign. So as you can see here, dividing rule says that first divide the number like usual. First is if the integer have the same sign. If the integer have the same sign, so answer will be positive. And second case is if the integer have different signs, so answer will be negative. So whenever you are taking two integer with the same sign, so you will get positive in answer, and different sign, so you will get negative in answer. Rules for dividing integers are, when determining the sign, the rules for multiplying integer are as same as we already discussed. The rule for the division and multiplication are same. So if the sign are the same, as I already told you, the sign are same, so answer will be positive. You can see here easily minus 64 divided by minus 8, so you will get positive 8. This negative will cancel and 8 1 is 8 and 8 4 is 60. 8 8 is 64. And if sign are different, then you will get negative in answer. Here you can see that 8 is with negative sign, 4 is with positive sign, and I am taking different signs integers, so I will get negative in answer. I will get minus 2. So student, it is clear to all of you how can we consider the signs in case of divisions. These are the example. You can solve it and you can see the rules that I am taking here. Same signs integers, so I am getting positive in answer. Different sign, so I am getting negative in answer. Again I am taking same sign, so I will get positive in answer. And in last example I am again taking different signs integer, so I will get negative in answer. So these are the rules for the division of integers. You have to use signs very carefully, that what is given different signs integers or same signs integers, so you will apply these rules. These are the pages related to your NCERT book, Properties of Division of Integers. And I now am going to start exercise 1.4, and student, you will do question number first yourself. In question number first, simply you have to divide, and I gave you part at the last that which parts you will solve in your notebook. Now I am going to start with question number second. Verify that a divided by bracket of b minus c. Look at this. Verify that a divided by bracket of b plus c not equal to a divided by b plus bracket of a minus c for each of the following value of a, b and c. Means in first case, in a part what value is given? A is 12, b is minus 4 and c is 2. So we have to put these values in this expression which is given in the question, and then we will check this side is not equal to this side after putting the value of a, b and c. So look at the solution here. Here as you can see that in a part I will solve this side. First student, I will solve this side, a divided by bracket of b plus c. So after putting the value, a is 12 here, b is minus 4 and c is 2. First of all, according to the board mass, we will solve this parenthesis, this bracket first, and then we will solve it with 12. So as you can see there, 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, that will be equal to both have different sign, so you will subtract. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 and greater sign, and we will use sign with greater integer. So I am using here minus 2. 4 is greater integer and this is with negative sign, so I will use here negative sign. And then 12 divided by minus 2. So again you can see here, student, first of all you will just divide it. So you will get 12 is converted into multiply and you will take the reciprocal of the next number. So this will be 1 by 2. 2 1 are 2 and 2 6 are 12. And both integer have different sign. 12 is with positive sign and 2 is with negative sign. So you will get minus 6 as a answer. So this is our left hand side. Now we will solve for the right hand side in the same way. In the right hand side, parenthesis is given. So we will solve this parenthesis, then this, and then we will add. So as you can see that after putting the value, I will get 12 divided by minus 4. So I will get minus 3 here. 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12. And negative sign because both have different signs. And after solving this parenthesis, 12 divided by 2, I will get 6. So I am getting here minus 3 plus 6. So again both the integers have different signs. So you will subtract. 6 minus 3 will be 3 and we will use sign which greater integer have. So plus 3. So as you can see here, student, I am getting minus 6 after solving this side and plus 3 after solving this side. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side, hence proved. Which we have to prove? We have to prove that this side is not equal to this side, and we proved here. So you can say that hence proved. So student, we discuss about the rules for the division and you will do in homework E, F, G and H part of question number 1. Then you will solve question number 2 and question number 3, which is given in the form of filling the blanks. As you can see here, question number 3 is in the form of filling the blanks. So you will do in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Do the given work neatly in your notebook, students. And I hope you are solving all these questions which I am giving in the last session also, which I gave you in the last session also. And if you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask me, student. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.